Have you ever received a suspicious email in your Gmail with a strange link, unexpected content, or request to log in? You might wonder if someone can actually attack your Gmail account through an email. In this video, I'm going to explain what people commonly refer to as a Gmail injection attack, how attackers use malicious emails or manipulated content to target users, and most importantly, how you can protect your Gmail account. So the term Gmail injection describes various attacks involving email content or account security. Often attackers aren't directly hacking into Google's Gmail service. Instead, they're trying to inject malicious content into emails, manipulate links, or use specially designed messages to trick you. For example, an email might look like it's from a legitimate company and includes a button asking you to verify your account. If you click on it, you could be taken to a fake login page that looks almost identical to Google's. And if you enter your email and password there, the attacker could steal your credentials. This type of attack is more commonly known as phishing, and social engineering. There's how to protect your account from such scams. First, you need to choose a very strong and a unique password. Your Gmail password should be hard to guess and not used on any other website. If another website has a data breach and you use the same password, attackers could potentially try it on your Google account. And also enable two-step verification. Within two-step verification, signing in requires an additional verification step after your password. This means even if someone gets your password, they may still be unable to access your account. And don't automatically trust a link just because an email looks professional. Before clicking, check where the link actually goes. And if an email claims there is a problem with your Google account, it's safer to open your browser and go directly to the Google account instead of clicking the link in the email. One trick I want to share with you guys is if you see such suspicious email with the link, do not directly open that link, but instead open it in your incognito browser. It's easier if you're using your laptop or desktop. And attackers often create a sense of urgency with messages like your account will be deleted today, you must verify your account immediately, and these are designed to make you panic and act without thinking. So take a moment to verify the message before you do anything. And never give your Google verification code to any other person, and always check your devices where you're logged in. If you see any suspicious devices, you can go ahead and log it out and also secure your account immediately by changing your password and reviewing your security settings. Also, make sure that your operating system, your browser, and the most important applications that you use on a daily basis are up to date. And you can also start using pass and security keys and also enable Google Chrome on your trusted devices. Check your recovery email and phone number. So basically, a Gmail injection attack does not necessarily mean someone can simply inject code into your Gmail and instantly take control of your account. In many cases, what people describe as Gmail injection is actually related to phishing, malicious email content, social engineering, or other techniques designed to steal your information. The best protection is to use a strong, unique password, enable two-step verification in your account, and avoid suspicious links and attachments, and always verify unexpected security messages as well. Remember to never share your Gmail password or verification codes with anyone. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.